I'm here at one of the most suggestive and enchanting places in all of Tuscany, the Abbey of San Galgano. What you see behind me is what's left of the Abbey church, and next to it, a portion of what was once the Abbey itself. Then perched up on the hill, we have the Hermitage of Monte Siepi. And in fact, it was in the year 1220 that the Cistercian monks established themselves here in this particular structure and grew in prestige. And so too did the church and the structure just next door. But in the 14th century, the abbey was sacked by a ruthless mercenary captain of fortune by the name of John Hawkwood and eventually fell into ruin, only the abbot himself remaining here. And gradually over the centuries, the structure began to fall apart. And so eventually in the middle of the 18th century, when the bell tower collapsed, so too did the roof of the church itself. And what is left today is the ruins of this majestic Gothic structure that opens up into the beautiful blue or night sky. And even though the church is in ruins, there's enough of it left to get an idea of its former glory. The Latin cross plan, the pointed arches and windows, the triple order of columns, the groined vaults, and so many windows, which even without glass give us an idea of the former splendor of this great church, and one in particular, which is the only surviving rose window that we see as well. Today, of course, the sky serves as a kind of surrogate form of lighting this once spectacular church, which is San Galgano.